The ability of strategic operations to quickly design, manufacture, construct, and decorate sets makes it possible to create realistic urban scenarios that are mobile and easily reconfigurable. The basic structure of the hyper-realistic mobile MOUT is the RHU, or Relocatable Habitat Unit, a truly portable structure, a training device, suitable for year-round military training in all environments. The patent-pending RHU is modular, reconfigurable, scalable. It features a 4 by 8 foot wall panel made of composite construction weighing less than 100 pounds. RHUs can be connected and assembled with one tool in a variety of configurations. Including multi-story. The exteriors can replicate any construction material or technique from anywhere in the world. Interior walls can be moved and reconfigured in minutes. Features include breachable doors with reusable jambs,